assalamu alaikum sana demba alkana wo fo ya jamme mu ne fo fa bakari ye na ke sana demba o bola
as a democratic party, we cannot prevent anybody from, no matter what your rank position is, you cannot prevent you from going and align yourself with any other party. In that case, you have already removed yourself from the APRC. So all those who are with
NPP
all those with the NPP,
and it all come for Yajame mistake, Yajame mistake.
I'm not approving it. We are not going to align with NPP. We are aligning ourselves with Gano Party.
Is the supreme leader.
Let me make it very clear why I kept quiet for so long, because what we call password in local language was going on, and if I had spoken, the traitors wouldn't have been known. That is why I kept quiet so long.
Info coalition with Barrow, alliance with Barrow, Volker Kumol change. Just thinking they will have the militant at their side, which is they fooling themselves. Yalo ko kumoka moile anim fanan dolbi ye the way they analyze. Ite fana ya jame analyze nyame is wrong. Ya jame ma fando ya jam. Ama fo APRC le lata Gano kan. Gano le nata ilata APRC kan. Ya jame yala own executive londi. Because wodol fana atele londi ya bitre fo ñul ya mira mol ma moy ñul ka même fo duma ini la jeeg dol ka même fo wof ka fintina ite fa bakari wol mol la ko dole fodi ya jame ma fo audito ñini ya kele ban ite sana demba ñul ya kele ban ngamira wole bula ka bori drambo ya jame kulungo men diala ala ñini ka wala Yankuba Koli ye kodo men tuabulu pour APRC ale 3.5 million o men duntana and men spent député kan a 500,000 of am banje so 3 million o wole a sobi mol ka men sang wo profito ale tiketo mol labanta ka men sang wo kodo le foy ko mol bita tola way wo to bayta wo kodo say wo duntamin until we are asking for that question. No answer yet from them. Ete ya mwe fa bakari tombon jata. Baroye memfo. Atata ya since 2017. Ka yitandi barola ko wole election o win. We atara fango ya long election o ma win. Ka fay ko UDP man betia. Ibe jam fala bare ntol ba fole ni UDP bote bala ntol binala ke support ate fa bakar kilimo akana mo la ralito kaitandi mo la je election o ya regle so mo si fa ba fola wa mo somebody with two tongue ni mo nyanta la wala te ala nyin security e mem fintindi ten ntol ma wolon wala bije bare ya jamme ya lonne ite malo ya jamela ite long kal Fabakary wol long kal tambi teti ite membi Gambia ja sana demba hey Fabakary wol ye wrong move left ke before fanyim coalition o yara itolbe o kacha kan duma rambo manta radio station to ka diamja ko in case natra ya jamete nala andu aka fo fangotije then our flag bearer will be Fabakary faka fonte rambole afo yala te everything akala fi sembola ka tele ta moti ite ma wol be mo so for a short period rek ñul change ta mol bulu and the way and the manner they do it is not respect. They don't give us respect with the military. Abe Rambo Yankuba Koli aning Mberiso any others amul ñaasi wol Modou Camara wol itata simin tole just piru itol kaitandi APRC la ko ntol man ko do soto to pour kadde candidate o londi bo me alon ko toñante wo ko dolle APRC la account o biri ya jame bijam fa tata wo ko dole ikonum barola afris yara fan today people came to know that itol leata yo ko do dundimi an Sana Demba hey Yaya Jammeh is more intelligent than you, more intelligent than all those executive I may appoint. Jammeh know them very well than any one of us in the APRC. For last time, Jammeh man Rambo fenge ka fa ko fa bakar nyini ka Menke State House. Alafta denial. Yara fa wolem wo 2017 baro fele afo aseniata so fa bakari wo so sole ba ite bijele kabiri ya Jammeh ba fo kan fa bakari ko let him go for coalition with Barrow. Are you there, Sana Demba? Ya Jammeh la patilo atele tama la patiti ñun lafta ka o hijack ka fo ya Jammeh tante munana say ngamire ko ni be ya Jammeh expert la ngamire ko kumol ka fonu say gumale ko ya bay ko ya lonne none of them have that power because it all ya Jammeh ya for categorically clear ko meltata Barrow, let them go. Ate me agents, let them go. But Ate, he is not in for coalition with Barrow. So Ate lenyi executive for Londi, mo bite fintinola ye bulo wulindi ya foko ni executive for ye Londi le through election, delegates la election or Congress. Sana Demba ite sa fo ye elekle ya Jammeh le appoint ya Jammeh le appoint muna ne teman to nya fo fa bakari woliye ko before they doing this let them contact hani ya Jammeh famata ke call but let them itolye ko ngini natara ko duma kutige komi ye men keten yara fa 2017 Sana Demba tol APRC militant tol kunin tale de tol kunin tale so say muna nay man fa bakari advice ka fa ko no fa bakari nyurkete dundi dame kana so wala Fatmata Jahum Power ka fa bakari is the party chairman and the party leader. When was that? Sana Demba ya fa bakari ne wo bulaba ikana okay APRC constitution e damma malo fongata congress moliye kati then yes, but without congress you cannot force yourself with your this small executive soul. What a kenola ite ma o fay al nga tonya fo nyoy nin lafta nyola al nga tonya fo nyoy nte bi natrambe nin no makan coalition yaro nga ya Jammeh moy diamul nte ayi nte fango mbe ayi top fa bakari nga fay nge dani nga muru koma but atol ma okay al be diamula ke jena dundi to nya wala be labanna ngana si nga juge to nya wala be labanna sama de Allah ma famol mol kana jele APRC andu kunu ngatolla congress in press conference gele kompeato wotumo kabiri nyol mol belief tela koy be silo kan dol be tonya fo ka yara fam ko nyol be tenne ndol fangon ni wol ka bula nyola fo nyone ngo ka dum tema because of this Fabakary anala ni executive just so a sudden threat nulie na ye ton mol kante ko me nyam konkoron me alon ko na ko la men jere fata e wota nulie wala ke molla so tol man songi ton tol te sonne to ika mol belief indi ko ya jamele bula ya rafa wotili so ite mune soto ka foye Fabakary mune soto ka faye bare mo data 99 days for the thief, 1 day for the owner o mandin kol ko nim boroma me ko matula buka lom sabe koylal inshallah be konton nambe gayna
as a democratic
ya jambe ma wrong move ke amando ya la
anybody
fanka
from
kumo set senyata set ya jambe so me ma satisfy wala ikana la fi ya jambe la kumo ton for your interest pour ya mera mon de no molle be ya la ya jambe mem
so all those who are
assalamu alaikum
Mansa ako abe jama be danila surtout parti dingolu abe bol danila nengo la media la ko asimoni ko ya nengo me la ko asimoni alina ado tiya nengo me la ko asi hadama ya ko tiya bol
let me make it very clear why I kept quiet for so long because what we call password in local language was going on. The creators wouldn't have been that is why I kept quiet so long.
Nimbadia talking ganga kono kare soto ando momo kata muslimo di nango banen di alamana so tri tengale ba ko muslim yala ko banen ba kamone ba haranta so ni moyene alato ani alabu alfimunya altanti so munya kado kitino Kita mo setan mo le ka mol bane ando ni mo dol bane ite munya no la ite jola so bal kan la de am do ti diaspora please alkana banendro
nane ambade law bunyi la kadi patet APRC meti wuccew ujelaw
bukan aktu
Gambia tu an majid manda aw Christian manda am di parti manda awla di parti man kana tu kutay ujelaw kajere kan manje ka wucce kan manje halin islam e paye e mawtiyo woto e jele kajere kan manje islam e kajere fanko kanka won manje wo haram bisidine salula o mamde ko be manda muslime manda Christian ana jeli jaat e wucci jaar bob o manare manu aw kan amutana manu sabari bare o bade law anan manje aw eti APRC aw nyile Gambia wala aw nyile Gambia am diaspora na la ombe law manu yamfal nu yoral ujela parce que won manje wa haramwe bare ko ana jelo la jaat ula bu mutina
insulting people will bring a lot of anger upon the country, and that is not good. That's why people are suffering in the Gambia.
Nane ujela from a wetbu kanak emite mauto de ngurul engar wote de ngaro la albala and yes sabu mbala beja Gambia la koko de bugala bano maya ja parce que simito se tunu jikaji ujela wambo de jaay wal islam e mauto wa haram ako be nendira from la jawya ay men sabu don la bago ka bi nga jele ay ala famo ay dako la woto and wosanina no ni sanjol kono nga nendiro menje wala yi bata be sabutol ma wota be danno kala nga nendiro bondi na ko kono fo ala sikayo sabati na bangoka.
We have to fight to regain our country and develop our country as it was done under 22 years of my rule.
Akon si kapunya manga kele kaje ko ngana Gambia munine anyama ngana bang Gambia kampo ya senda nyama kaje ko kome sanyi muani fulo marlo kenyame to Gambia la kampo ya nsiwa kele kaje ko ngawo sabati nane mbukana kankale beka pino mono tika kuti formanje beka nyene ko subo kakata kom di Gambia e jaay fo ci la kom di Gambia ni ngara misala simile sala ci la kom tu e jaay fo ci la ni Gambia e bañu woto bu juwanu pinora mono tika mujika me do bañu bañu.
If my final note to you is to make it very clear that there cannot be any development in a country that is not secure, where there is no security, there is no peace, people are divided, people are insulting each other, people are saying abominable things, heinous language. This is unacceptable for the APRC, and those who want to come to the APRC, they are welcome. Come and join the party of the APRC and Gano, you are welcome. Come and join, but there will be no insults allowed. You can.
Ako.
Yes. Go ahead.
Ako abenyi den lako. Comment nga mempo ja nendiro. Amukule de melonko abe koma ta sabula banko kan. Bano nga menje wala banko la tango bunda be lamfuri. Banko la kanto be lamfuri. Na banko la nyando mantra sobre. Bare ñi bekere na daji ko de melonko nendir jawol ka mendundi mel yalla ko haramta. Nga ala kampani wala fo bibe mantoro men kono fo ndeten no wodaji ko bondi ibe gambele bang ibe parti ko no bang ibe parti bantala bang no wodaji ko fale isaje ko mbe l'Afrique men na instance do bare bunda ñi belere nak ni momo la tekana isina na parti men ko EPS ni gano be wole be lori isina yebula ko no ni etende nga do boke.
Did you say it in Jola?
Nane omori kay sen kafaya be mum tade meti ni manane ko men ujelaw kankan ujelu wan manje wa wedi bu yik won manje l'islam e mawto anu wan l'islam e mawtum kankan wa won manje wa haramu naji ka bo meni ko ka po ya kanu bajam ni mom walla ja ku lamfu e jaari fo ci la bajam e lamfu bar urtu kankan ula jike yalla yeti nye ubayta ka bala fa ka jalol ka wucon ka no manje emite mawko woto ombole kay se mediko bu ngarab de bo mambu ombule ana manje aw mamambe jo manoro ka di APRC kano ni ndaje nda jike no manje amerika kuro amadi mbujol mun nampora mun kana bebro mo fa molla bare ombole law man jike wucon won manje l'islam e haram yo dine ciense haram yo lukatayo.
What is happening in the country is sinking very faster than the Titanic, and we have to save the country. For us to save the country, we need the help of all clean people, patriotic Gambians, for us to work together and get rid of what is happening now.
Akode membe kerim banko kawale Gambia be kulun me yalan ka abe nyuka kan ka jifan ka sokono. Oto nyimudo ko ti melan ko Gambia din senolu Gambia ngani din senolu mbele be mbulo la nyakam be mbulo kafula nyokan kaje ko nga Gambia la nyin kulungo bebe kulungo men kono ngaje ko akana nyuka because na nyuka da banko din wala torolem banko din wala ko matalem Gambia dum mbele dentala mbele nyantam mbulo la nyokan kaje ko nga Gambia bondi wo julo kono na le omri kay sen meti ko de Gambia kankan mo fo man manje momdi bu sana ban manje bobo bu yome woto jaar bu sana badi Gambia ban Gambia mbambo me yome kankan buro ko bollal ola kunyina kati Gambia kunyina kati patie mujuma fat muji ka meti ko bu sana bu kurna prembo di e yome parce que doyna mun na fayolal anu fo kanaru nyina wala de kon mun ngonu kurna bu sana be mi Gambia di mantora yam eno kan jaar.
Let me make clearer what has been obvious throughout. I am not a tribalist, I'm a citizen. And my party is not a tribalist party. And you have seen from my performance, I didn't kick anybody out of office because it's from another tribe. I will never be a tribalist. I'm a Muslim, and tribalism is haram in Islam. We are all created by the same Almighty Allah. I am a citizen, not a tribalist. APRC is a patriotic party, and it cannot be a tribal party. So also Gano. So let's work together and make sure that we unite all Gambians for the benefit of all Gambians. On this note, I want to thank all of you who have come from far and near. All those who have been insulted, please forgive. Let us stop insults. Let us work together with good people. Those who don't want to work with you, don't mind them. Let us work for the development and for the peace, security, and stability of the country, and for the prosperity of all Gambians. On this note, may you go back in peace, in safety. May the Almighty Allah give you His blessings and protection.
Amen.
If I continue, you cannot complete. So,
Amen. Amen. Babili Mansa, I am for them. Basil Lamajela de. Ako Atela Pachele, Amansi Patam Pansilong. Amanke si Patam Pansil Patiti. Atela Patio Patiet me alongo. Patio me alongo Siobele Bigi. Anu Mobe Salonko. Kabiri ate nyimbanko mara amanyi banko mara ko ate musi kinindi wati ate mansi patam panso long amantra si patam panso kono ate mellong amomenti wolem ate mo gambelti anun gambe wala mati woto ate ajele ko ani patio men nyanta kabula do ko ke wo fane yewo ngani ya seni wala sodo amam patam panso long si obele be APRC kono anda mansi bo nyoto hani mbe do ko menaten ajele ko nyanta jela patiol belebe ni siol belebe ni patio kono parce que ama do ko ke sikliye lay baybe fanake wato menna abuka mo bay do ko la kaje ko fo amadi be sikar le wala nga bay do ko la hani nyanta men kele la do ko e bawo kele wala tambe ay bay bada may bay ni kamako ete maru musikarete woto mbesi si fadam panso bonni na patio kono nsi bonni na ngani kono ngaje ko banko la nyatuta mbesi o kidimandi ngalo wo kanka wo kola aba fala mole ko ali hekatu assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi.
On this note, I don't want to take too much of your time, but it is a little bit long because I have to clarify everything. But as from today, it's APRC Ghana Alliance. And that being the case, let us work together and develop our country and make sure that everybody sleeps in peace. The security of life and property is sacrosanct, is sacred, and it is our duty to make sure that we establish peace and security in the country for everyone, where education would be free for everyone. In the Gambia, when I was there for 22 years, even the son of a beggar or the daughter of a beggar can go to university, because I was there for everybody, and I will always be there for everybody, because we will always be there for everybody. The APRC and Ghana would be there for everybody. So bring back the development, the security, independence, prosperity, education, health, everything has crumbled. Gambia today is the most dangerous country, but we will make it the most peaceful country on earth again within a week or two.
Babili alafta kuma kum fala dawento wolam be hakilo si taraji ko alhama momenti wolam ka banko doku anu patira hama momenti ka banko doku ani ngani sen wala woto akamenta ni wolam APRC ni ganola ka ko nyoka wo batina tako bunda be seniala nyato tabe sotla ni banko kan free education ay mendu ni banko kan e ba jalale ko nga wosi ndi ay metani ko bi Gambia banko mu banko dala ko bi atele dangerous ka atele masala yata banko beti Africa ko because be ke jameta bi bare medo ale
Ko Gambia kita mau bangko sih, karena nanti dia kita mau boleh Gambia mungkin anak kisio, mungkin anak amjama, mereka kita mau hamne izin tidak yalwar, cuma muna dem to Oxford University because ñun setting price dañ fa nekk ak ñëpp lañ fa nekk ndax ku ñu support ak ku ñu support yëpp seen doom yi def nañ university thanks to my government so nga même problème ntol ma ke si fatam fansulan ntol ma ke travel nan kata ka si fatam fanso ke lapta fitna wulda atol be wollo so momo la sakarola ni ñaato sa na etiasi gano alaya wala ba garante la tadi mo ni fula loptano be kolamba dongo be tiata sen ki man soto lapta ko sikot go como sen de mulin tara ni ruwa أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم There's a lot of noise on the line. Okay, we can hear you clearly. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.
Babili Mansako
As a democratic party, we cannot prevent anybody from, no matter what your rank position is, you cannot prevent you from going and alliance yourself with any other party. In that case, you have already removed yourself from the APRC. So those who are with all those with the MPP, I'm not approving it. We are not going to align with NPP. We are aligning ourselves with Gano Party. Let me make it very clear why I kept quiet for so long, because what we call password in local language was going on. And if I had spoken, those who administrators wouldn't have known. That is why I kept quiet so long.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
I want to thank every patriotic Gambian, every Gambian who is development oriented.
Ako abe Gambia tingol be media lonko je ngamiya senumo andu isolmo ni ngani be nyaatu ni Gambia la nyaatu sala ado be le konton la kabo ajiso nane ombo staff ku nyila kati kambe kanu manje bisi sikire solil ko bajet wala sen mo kantumi e jaati opportunity di mo ko Gambia o mo na safa yo muy tutu
The other language, Malikano.
Ako abe Gambia dingolu be kontonna melia lonko isondomo ifundo ila ngani be Gambia la nyato taye ando imam fema fense de la hakiloto pour Gambia la yurwa aba falal be aba kontonna.
As from today, I want to make it very clear that I have taken full leadership of the APRC party based as stated in the constitution of the APRC. I am the supreme leader, I am the flag bearer, and I am the party chairman, and I want to make this announcement very clear.
Babili Mansako alafita nyi koindi la bi ko abayita ndila Gambian kolbe la ko APRC party atelem ala supreme leaderty atelem party la flag bearati ani atelem party o nyatankoti kabobila alipana olalal Amy Yaya Abdul Aziz James Chinko Jammeh, His Excellency, nane punyo nye ka prumi nye wata uye omo yanoma nye omba kaiten anosane achimi Gambia meti achila funaka feti arjuma yeti jar ombo di kaisembu kanak meti ko APRC party yolil achila eme as supreme leader olio arunga anomanye ana antipachile yola achila opom anam ekemi flag biara kanyani bandera yeti APRC bala yembe jaay bet achila ya jembe ekemi flag achila anum achila enum arunga eti party eti APRC ananu man no bala beti jaay. Yes sir.
The APRC party is here to maintain development, full development of the country in peace and security, where all people are equal. Whether you are rich or poor, your child can go to school free of charge from primary school to university. And that is what is going to continue. We will not align ourselves to any destructive movement or any movement that is taking Gambia backwards and destroying the infrastructure that have taken me 22 years to build. It's not going to happen.
Babili Mansako ako atela parti de mo parti de me alanko anyatili yirwala anon parti dingol fana mo parti dingol de me alanko nyatili yirwala anon parti la hamo mo menti wolem bankola tanko bankola yirwa anim banko surtout mentada londo la fana na dindingol ay menjeje wolem sanyi muang anim fula ay mendo ko nyim banko kan
mo
e ko be
APRC kata parti men ya tota ani yurwa fumo be bobe kana bobe tandwa wala ko dena diwa ko na nafasi ko
ako ala
ngafoko ndola patio APRC wala karon na free education and everything wo be pinyata ni sanjina no kono and instead as the party leader and supreme leader of the party APRC lafala molla e belonko e banko destroy what a kenola. There is no alliance to any party that has destroyed the Gambia over the past 4 years.
Nane party yeti APRC ya no manje e manje to 101 fobro ko banu manje batumbe ka jeetu mo family fotile party ya no manje e kankan kunyila kollal karangeli de jaw party ya no manje e ngarlongal kambe ngadi yirwaadi mo fombe le de kan parti en manje pejal e nampor di parti en manje e jawloto 101 foka kayana ko kadi won manje kayrade kunyina kadi Gambia nane parti eti APRC de te nampor di spade salugol sila abadan.
As a democratic party, we cannot prevent anybody from, no matter what your rank position is, you cannot prevent you from going and align yourself with any other party. In that case, you have already removed yourself from the APRC. So all those who are all those with the MPP, I'm not approving it. We are not going to align with NPP. We are aligning ourselves with Gano Party.
Nane parti eti APRC kankan parti no manje democracy kunyila po arana baba democracy mo ano antan sumimi nun na kembeto bare wala ma on be kayisen waynam parti eti APRC kankan parti no manje etu be kan nampo dis parti sanu manje yankonem NPP ano annak amdi parti APRC ngol njaat mon jaw bare u jaw jaat pop no mum manyi metiko kapuru mbala beti jaat on pupur parti APRC mon jaw nokendi parti NPP babili man se kambe tan wala ako kabo sayi fanan akaitandi ko APRC parti ni parti membe bulo kafla nyama wala parti ka fame Gano nga wala la luntamba sadaja wala Cheikh Tidiane Haidara la parti o woni APRC alliance no ando lanno be wala parti ko no pour ni way do ko ke babili nane parti el parti efficace APRC parti baje démocratie ano annak anu manje awanye APRC malagan nu baba démocratie ci la nu ngole ngono nu jaw man jaw ji nampo di parti cien bari woy mi aw puja di APRC man jaw nampo di parti cien aw nu katen parti APRC woto aw amali ka burunjat aw ledi parti APRC wala mangum be regla woynam parti yola de di parti en ngolem si jawor yan sanko dum be ka jawor bala be jaar yonam parti arunga an konem Cheikh Tidiane parti Karesio Gano Party woto yemi parti an manje pas ngon si jawdi APRC kapurum jat be faw.
Let me make it very clear why I kept quiet for so long, because what we call password in local language was going on, and if I had spoken, the traitors wouldn't have been known. That is why I kept quiet so long. And those people who left the party never had my blessing, never had my consent or permission to talk about alliance with any party.
Ako alaftamen ko ndele jambi wolem e tumando mo safe go babil te diamala bare dalilo meedna amandiam kamel wotumola wolem nka famme sulol be selta santo
Paswaro
sulol be selta santo paswaro dolna kaw konan ka tiyo yamba menna ka kesota ka tiya ko jolon duma wala pasiaro be tamaka fo a jele ko silam paswaro e kunkungol jolonne ay keso tale ay kesol menta wala mbi mel ba koma mel mu fufulewti nadiyam tan wotumo wolati ta bare bi akoytama ko wolbe tatale ka bo bila nane omba kay sen meti e ujujat a 50 no ni wonu manja wonam e tame pasware yonal ko mi ngare ma yemba muluka mola mun e la mustafa mola monam ni mbayangata banu pasore mbayata manu ngal balu ko abdi kukwe wena mi na kankana ci la jije kanu manje kanu manje ku ledi patiye ko ka bunto jako ko pupur wo kamina ko majuk metko do tu baje patiye la jinjum senia 7 japana pour na 5 mari se metko patiye la ledi patiye man yama kankano kene.
Those who have left the party for other parties, members of the executive who have left the party and went to join another party, I have no problems with that. But they are hereby being replaced by the following people.
Ako APRC la executive members sol membijang menul tata kata ka join party dolto ako wode wo manke problem oti bare ala tanyile ko inde ka boy jan sai la ko ni molde melu tata executive men tata ay mole lu tombong mel yalan ko wolle be la palaso tala APRC ye amila wolle la tofola ani fana nane abala mutuna kala kam di APRC executive ay ka jam be dis padis kene e jaay yali yo abala ngut bare ba jere boli kola ombo de kay sen kafaya be mum tade di Gambia buram poba tu meti ka burum bala beti jaat buka kanati me wonkat uresa wali kono jembe ngare manko la ngar placer di bugo kan manje ku jaajaw manko ku ngar placer di executive di APRC.
Honorable Abdou Diadio.
Nane afala ana wonkum kasa golem Honorable Abdou Diadio.
Honorable Bakary Saibo Sane.
Agabuntena onem Honorable Bakary Saibo Sane ay mo follow mento commandi melbe marla executive wala walem Honorable Abdou Diadio, Honorable Bakary Saibo Sane.
Mohamed Lamine Jammeh.
Wofana mo molti melbe mo kutol kono o bo omdi committee an ma yunkule.
Yaya Tamba.
Nane Yaya Tamba ko omna boka ni committee executive yunkule. Yaya Tamba da fana be committee kutol kono executive kono national executive.
Honorable Jeremy Sanya ko omdi committee yunkule. Honorable Matar Kujabi ko omdi committee yunkule. Honorable Ibu Sambu. Honorable Omaru Mambure.
Nadi Honorable Omar Mambure. Edi CRR.
Pa Modou Mbow. Regina Williams. Habib Seka. And the rest, the others, this team would work with the Gano team on everything. We work together as a team.
Akwanyi monument ay men tol fateng wonni Gano party be bulola la nyokan ka doko ke kaje ko men to tuta committee kono anin doko kono e ba timmandila anyama nane uresa wana wankum koynem kana folo mare ko to mbeka nampore di party di Gano manko juk meti ko walinam di ka jumene kadi kayo mo kadi executive ku kankan nu nampor ko manu kamboro ko banci bero ki.
I want to make it very clear. APRC, the A stands for Alliance for Patriotic Reorientation and Construction.
Nane ede wana isenum letter A, yenem kanampora yenem Alliance kanampora Reconstruction Patriotic wanam ubat ngani ya numani ya tilinge bedi jay futileti mofom. Reorientation wayna wati na nu bulan jora wegito watu be kane majirwa sabati di kan kay mo kadi parti e ci la construction di burakop jola nane parti yan ko nen APRC leta fula yenam yonami jikumati ko ulano nampora nampo di wegito wasete pi yonam kan manje kumike kabaje ka foro di na mofamolo lal ar wonam reconstruction wonam onampora manuroka di mofam di semba ya pulum di parti en konen APRC.
Okay kabe isemi yande primafo APRC parti kankan parti an manje pangkungol nampora di anosa dan manje na mamma mofom na mamma kairat mofom na mamma independence mofom na mamma berok mamma fomu jo fetile mu prena bu leka be bu gala ba mi be sike no mamma maro na mamma moroka de wala ku buja kam kana bana san wan manje be kala banta tu du put Gambia yo kabir no yo APRC jom wakane la kom ko yakana nganye yo ana kelur makayo
ako APRC ako APRC mo patriote melia lonko atemo patriote me nganie so pour ka banko doku banko eta nyato Gambia dingol yela tanko soto yela yiruwa nyanto soto banko ala fangna fanna yiruwa taraji nyimum nganie timela ko ay wala soto patriote fana wala soto pour ka banko samba nyato bala manke patriote melia ko comme wo parti dolu ila hamo menti ani membe keri bi wonyo su nyaara membe keri ani kasar jaw moli alla ko momang sira ata jaw wato kono moyo ke nyim bango ka tirimbali yake bango di ngoli
ndema ko
bismillah
iko parti APRC walem tuba pangto leta walem alliance for patriotic reorientation walem mo be ke banku din kendoti momo keta banku kinde din kendoti elata banko la nyakata elata banko la kairo ni sutro ni security anin development juruwaye sia walem APRC so ibajala ko momo bije yemelon ko alhammo pana wolem ka banko tankandi ka banko yuruwandi ka semol be yuruwandi mola mo be yuruwa sako then ni ko ila sa nala APRC ne welcome that is why ngano welcome because ning gano de doko kenala because iko alliance for national unity party Gambian alliance for national unity Juruate Kanola into be manke kan kilinti or the majority of the people manke kan kilinti. So that is why Gano is the appropriate party. You are going into alliance with.
Thank you very much.
Jola.
Nane APRC kankan parti anu manje wate e jume kan nampor di kapasa nu manje si pare be brok di mopom annum parti anu manje kana parti en pulom di bu kana legana ka param be kan nampor be rak di mopom annum parti we nyeme kankan parti anu manje won wajonkoro ndim kana meti e jaye pocileti Gambia yirwati Gambia kankan fujum pano manje pom parti e jukum anu fone e jaw woto nyanye wala jiko welam acila parti eti APRC pele nampo di parti e konen ganno parce que kankan parti anu manje ka fiyo mo kokto meti ngani yayeti Gambia e rokele mejo focile yoyemi di parti eti ganno woto kapurun jaat APRC di ganno unyeloni beru dore be broko
I want to apologize to all the party militants, all the Gambian people for keeping quiet for so long. But as I said, the process of winnowing was not complete because it didn't reach the APRC party because everybody has to be winnowed and we winnow everything and take what is good. And so now that the APRC party has also been part of the winnowing, including Kanilai, my hometown, now it's time for me to talk. And that is why I'm talking. But I'm sorry for the silence. It has created a lot of problems. I think people were confused. I'm sorry about that.
Ako abe parti dingol be hakke danila tumala menna moliya yilla anyanta diyam la wato menna amandiyamu bare wokata nyin kamako tamero le be kering adon tamero mambannu wato kono woto aye batune fo tamero banda wato menna anyanta diyam la ala deo nak a jele ko aye tumando ni ku ya sabu patio dingol ma anon tameo nyin kame a fanyame tameo fango anata amake APRC damade ay hanik ala ya kanillay ay tameo ya male woto tameo nyin wato sitala anyante men tamela banta walatna afintana be diamala ba woto ay wato men ta ala diambali ay ni ko men sab mola abe hakko dande kan ala patio dingoliye asi hakko to wonyam ali fana nane malagen wata le nyanga ma 5 kanga wata no la tu jikala met ko pana 5 wata ci la abulol ma 5 wata ci la 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 kapia ka segla da ko la ombo de law mi tul ka bonkat mati wani la maro jama wata ni la be jama o jamta bare nane wada ci la kankan e katia ele en aredi tama be ka tame man kan be ngar be en kessa anu kan be bugo anon tame ci la yo jonne be na lu la jaar wo kam ka tudde la ka
password everybody knows the password
password bambanya tie kala jajaw bayta bu ngal ngal anon password e nyam nale hani kanilla bana cinum password e gori gor anu nya password bamban wo kam na pul jaar ma sankel arano jam meka wawo baje bala be jaar wakati omela ka bonkat di kay la kedi be de kan ko kana kanam acira kan ko la o mona lewe ka bonkat di mo kana mo cila
daga zaman Allah tati ni sankan dum kabir ne bara wata ka la ko ja ko e kala kan ani israelo no nito sikola sala ko ja dilen to man so ma so ndo wakana ko oki password got bukana 2 egor APRC de got sinde kanila benje kinni nyangene sa ngam po walem password le man futat la beto wotu mo walat na mandiam bayre li ke la konko kanta nin kuno na day wuli lo kilim dunda na yewuli ites lol be jenola ita mel katingaro ke be ita wo jenola bare be batla foy be dunang ye funti sa ya lon ko nyine ka tinyaro ke nyine ka sunyaro ke nyine ka ke wala tindangande password na ta fo kan APRC san amata democratic natanu mobe ye fundi mo ya ngani itani na diam no matter what andum password para putata nan kanilla ade sene ata nake tanga ban with any other party that's wale you are already remove yourself from the APRC. And from now, so all those who are APRC, my party, our party, your party, all those with is with Gano and no other party. I have no.
His Excellency Babili Mansa, Akoka Boss Saila,
not going to align with
Atela
NPP, we are aligning
Memo APRCT. Boss Saila, ani Gano patio ye bulo binyo ka jago doko ke jama min de bijam belman la ko sakala ko APRC party ani Gano party bi wole ye bulo binyo bulo ko jani ala ko kala nyamu la le ombo de kay sen kamita de jaat meti ka pour mbala beti jaat party yola ye mi APRC party yola ye mi APRC di parti edi bukanak burom tu yemi APRC omodi kay sen metiko kapurun chat kankan parti en manje ya sode kan nambo di parti en konen Gano kabirun chat mank tomburo ko bejani mabma MT kambe eno
Mandinka did you say Mandinka?
That's what I started with. So
I want to thank everybody who stood up for the truth, who stood up for the national development, national security, national prosperity, national happiness, who stood behind me all along, especially including those in the diaspora who have been defending me. I want to assure you that as from now, even the meeting, I will be chairing the meeting.
Babili Mansa ako abe jama be tentula melia lonko ilota bi kaje ko tonya sabatita ilota kaje ko Gambia tanko bunda ay kedan na suloti ikeda moti melia lonko banko le nyato ta kede la suloti ale keda moti melia lonko akoma ilota e sin tanim fulola ibe Gambia kono bang ibe diaspora kono bang aba fona mole bogo abe ala barka ale loka mekaya anda baytan le ko ka babila meeting ibe menkela atale go meeting o chiala aka wala man kay sina gwenam nale ombode e salbu kana kadi Gambia do surtout kana ko la kadi parti kanu manje ko junnyum fujum fanu manje mam parti e jaw fojilay de ko jum man Gambia e bari ka point ka lega nak di ko jum man Gambia e jaydi e fotire de ka won ma jabaje di ko jum man ko ci kel ka fasa e jumol e jumel man di linge wata no man ja acila lebabe mate ula kami Gambia mate kami diaspora o mana sele kompan di fujumo pati jumo ano o mari kay se mediko ka purminye patieti APRC gano nanna ko bajim bene acila emini parti supreme leader emini parti leader ti acila jembe e ngare e jungte yeti kami kedi executive jembe kan
I want to appeal to all Gambians of all parties. Insulting is this heinous insult, this abominable insulting of people and their mothers is not blessing the country, but it's a curse, because the Almighty Allah doesn't like anybody who believes in Him, who worships Him, to be insulting people for whatever reason, including insulting people's mothers. That is very abominable. That is unacceptable in the APRC and Ghana party. When you conduct your campaign, we are not going to insult anybody. We are not going to castigate anybody. We are going to focus on the development of the country, as has happened in the past 22 years that I was in power. We focus on development. Don't be distracted by insults. Anybody who insults you, just ignore him if you can. Please, I'm appealing to you, because insulting each other's mother does not bring peace. The Almighty Allah, as Muslims, is haram. As Christians, is haram. So, insulting people, please, even if they insult you, don't insult.